Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of DNS servers. Learn how to create your own slow DNS server with just a few simple steps. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the private SSH website. Step 2. On the homepage, locate the hamburger icon in the top right corner and click on it to reveal a menu. From the menu, select the SSH and open label to proceed. Step 3. In the submenus, find the option for Slow DNS and click on it to start the process. Step 4. Scroll down the page to find the server location options. Click on the Select Server label and choose a server location from the list provided. Step 6. After selecting the server location, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Step 7. Input your desired username and password into the designated fields. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification process by checking the box. Step 8. Click on the Create Account button again to finalize the creation of your slow DNS server. Wait a few seconds for the server to be set up and become operational. Step 9. Make sure to copy all the necessary server details, including the host, username, password, name server, and public key. Paste these details into a notepad or document for future reference. Step 10. Conclusion. Congratulate viewers on successfully creating their own slow DNS server. Encourage further exploration by providing links to related content, such as using the server with OpenTunnel VPN. Thank viewers for watching and sign off with a reminder to stay connected and secure until next time.